Do you know about sourdough bread? This bread is truly special. It takes a full 36 hours to make, and sometimes it fails with a sour taste. But what that long patience creates is not just simple bread. With a glycemic index below 49, it slowly raises blood sugar, rich in prebiotics that help gut health, and makes digestion comfortable. Truly healthy bread. No chemical additives, no preservatives, made with only time and care. A healthy gift from nature that people have been making for thousands of years. Our lives have been the same. The fierce challenges of youth, the quiet endurance of middle age, even the bitter failures. All that time has fermented to become the deep, healthy you of today. Like sourdough that requires 36 hours of waiting, your life has also taken sufficient time to create the healthiest and deepest fragrance. Don't rush. Good things take time. Today, too, share your deep and healthy fragrance with the world.